Every groundbreaking study starts with data, but turning raw numbers into real insight requires the right tools. Today, we'll explore the statistical software powering modern academic research. Manual calculations slow you down and introduce errors. Specialized statistical platforms streamline analysis, ensure your work can be replicated, and unlock advanced modeling techniques. So you can focus on the knowledge, not the number crunching. These 4 platforms dominate academic research. SPSS offers point-and-click ease. R delivers limitless scripting power. Python automates your workflows. Jamovi makes teaching stats a breeze. In SPSS, import your dataset, navigate to analyze, compare means, select your groups, and click OK. Within seconds, you have t-test results. In R, load your data using the tidyverse, then run t.test. Customize your formula or plot results with ggplot2 for publication quality graphics. Python's pandas and scipy libraries let you automate repetitive analyses. Run your script once and reuse it across multiple datasets. Jamovi's spreadsheet-like UI makes live demos intuitive, perfect for teaching or quick exploratory analysis. Pick SPSS when you need a click-and-go solution. Opt for R if you require advanced modeling. Use Python to automate analyses and handle big data. Choose Jamovi to introduce students to statistics with minimal setup. Good research isn't just about software. Pre-register hypotheses, comment your code, and contextualize p-values. Sharing your scripts ensures your findings can be verified and built upon. From social trend analysis to clinical trials, these statistical tools accelerate discovery and deepen understanding across disciplines. For personalized guidance on selecting, implementing, or teaching statistical software, reach out to KMV Consulting today. Let's transform your data into impact.